Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and I'm so excited to bring you behind the scenes on a little DIY studio session with some of my friends. I'm excited to bring you along on this DIY studio session because I hope that it will bring you some inspiration and encouragement to work with who you have in your circle and what you have already in your photography kit. I have a variety of different seamless paper colors that we'll use as our backdrop, and my friend has an amazing closet full of really interesting pieces that we're gonna work with. It's gonna be you, me, and my friends today in the shoot, and I can't wait to bring you along for it. All the photography gear that we use in today's tutorial, including the background paper, will be linked down in the description box below, as well as a link to my free photography Facebook group, Build and Bloom. It's a kind, encouraging place to share your work, ask questions, receive constructive criticism and insight on client questions or problems that you might be having in your business. Build and Bloom is there for you. It's full of 60,000 kind, encouraging photographers, and I can't wait to see you in the Facebook group, linked down below. Before we get into it, we have a message from our sponsor.
I love list building, and Milanote is the answer to my organizational prayers. It's an easy-to-use tool to organize your ideas and projects out into visual boards. Think Trello and Pinterest, but specifically for photographers planning out photo shoots. Milanote is like working on a wall in a creative studio. Everything is drag and drop with no snap-to-grid elements, so it can become a true collage board of inspiration. You can collect everything in one place. All your ideas, notes, images, files, links. You can even add in team members. Who uses Milanote? Photographers, brand designers, marketers, startups, creative directors, agencies, the list goes on and on. Over 25,000 creatives use the software, including design teams at Apple, Uber, Nike, and Netflix. Yeah, it's kind of a game changer. Photographers, this software is a dream come true, and you can sign up for free using the link in my description box below.
Lily's all dressed up and ready to hit the town. So we decided for Lily's outfit, we were gonna go with this really cool beaded textured moment. The higher neckline will show more detail in the photo. I like the shoulder pads. A great way to find outfits besides going to the store and purchasing them is, number one, you could go to the thrift store, and that's a great sustainable option. Or you could also browse your friends' closets, their parents' closets, or if you have a mutual friend who might have a really cool wardrobe of some interesting pieces, you could always borrow pieces. That's a great sustainable way to work with what you have. I have a bunch of different paper that I just brought in the car because honestly I'm not sure where the shoot is gonna go, but that's the fun part about these shoots. Lily and I in high school did so many shoots out here at your house, remember, and we just like go into your closet, dress you up, and then we just shoot. And that's the fun part about photography, is just exercising that creative muscle. So we're trying to decide, what color do you think we should do for the paper? That sounded so scripted. So we're trying to decide what color should we a few options. So we have a neutral, we have a primary color, we have like a pastel and a jewel tone, and I'm thinking Lily's choice was the green.
I look really good with green.
You do. She said what she said. So we want to put the paper on the tractor back there just for the comedic effect. But the best light is going to be on the garage, so we're gonna stick with the original plan. All you need is a roll of seamless paper, some tape. You can tape it up anywhere. And then Anya and I, then Lily becomes videographer, and Anya and I hang it up, even though Anya's a taller one, so it looks like I am still contributing. Then what we're gonna do is kind of give this some slack, cut it some slack, kind of billowing out. It's not because it's slanted that it's doing that. It's rolling down the whole way. Anya's so uncomfortable in front of the camera, which makes no sense because literally she's a model. As we're, okay, we have like 12 minutes of daylight out, but strike that pose moment. Okay, literally the model's filming for us. So I think this is fine. It's a little bit crooked. It's okay.
Oh, it's very crooked.
Cute. It's okay. It'll be close up. We're gonna switch lenses so it's close. Okay, and now we have our DIY setup and we're ready to shoot. Let's go, ladies. 50mm 1.2 lens. Love this for portrait photography. It's a great standard lens. I think if I had an 85 at my disposal, I would definitely use an 85 in this instance, but the 50 is going to be beautiful. Okay, I want you to give me like, what should the vibe be? What if I had like a cardboard? Okay, we've taken 2 photos, 2 test photos. I need to get to shooting instead of talking. But what if I had in my car I just came up with an invention. I'm bleeping all of that out because I'm gonna make that
I was like,
a
make
product.
that a video, yeah.
Okay, anyway. I need something to shoot through it. Oh, wait, why is this a good shot of you, Anya? Videography. Wait, why is this a DIY hack? Okay, we need to get artsy here.
Yeah.
What if you lay down and I could take it from above, maybe? Hopefully the scissors won't drop on you. What if I put tape on the lens, maybe? Ooh, camera hack. Oh my gosh, camera hack. This is for the thumbnail, Anya. I'll take it as a screenshot. Got it? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it actually fully in front of the lens like this. And this is just gonna make it super like hazy, but then I don't have as much control, but I think this could be cool. Okay, let's do maybe, what should we do? What if we did, I feel like we're on it, like we almost have it.
Yeah.
This is just how the shoots go. Watch us like end up like in the basement with like an artificial light and like, this works instead. Do you guys have like a piece of fabric maybe?
What kind of fabric?
Like sheer almost? Usually I have this kind of random stuff in my vehicle. I do have, okay. I have my dog's car seat in the car. What can we do with that, guys? What if we did, dang, I really need to think of something. Try a pose. We could also do one where we have the seamless tape. We could also do one where we have the seamless paper like laying out somewhere like on the property and then you're laying on top of it, but I don't know. And I could like shoot it from the top of my car, but okay, so we're gonna do Lily doing a handstand.
3 handstand attempts off camera later, we opted for having Lily just put her legs up on the garage door, and this actually got our creative juices flowing and changed our perspective quite literally.
Oh, I love that expression. That's the vibe. I don't know what I would call that, but that's the vibe. She said what she said. Oops. I'm going like this, so then I have a little bit of a thicker kind of haze over the camera with the hands. Nice. Bring your face down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so just like that. Open your eyes. Okay, cool. I actually really like this. And I kind of want to keep the shape of the top, but maybe cross your arms like this. Oh, I love that. Except for I'm going to try to have you, instead of pressing your hands, kind of let them be just so it's not like,
Yeah, like that.
Try to relax the brow. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Now close your eyes and give yourself a big hug. And kind of do, yeah, oh my gosh, love Lily. Who is she? I honestly think it was just elevating the legs that made it like, I don't know what, but us to like get into a better thinking. Like her brain at that angle just thinks more. Put your face down a little bit. Look back. Turn, sorry, your shoulder. Yeah, yeah. 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 Lift your face up just a tiny bit. And then bring that shoulder up too. Lift your face up a little bit higher. Bring it more, yeah. And then back down. I think we got it. Yay! We got some really great shots. It just took a little bit of wiggling around. And this is the really fun part about photography, and when you are able to get together with your friends, then you can really let loose and be silly and get creative with things. And I think that that's exactly what we did. Obviously, this isn't how I would behave in front of a client or somebody I didn't know, like a model, but when I'm with my friends, I'm able to really let loose, be silly, be my full self, and get as creative as possible and experiment around. And that's really what I encourage you to go out and do this weekend, or when you have a free afternoon. See who's in your circle who can model for you. The point is, get creative and work with what you have. You can create some really beautiful images. All right, that's our video. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you leave feeling encouraged and inspired to go out and work with what you have.
Don't forget to sign up for Milanote for free using the link in the description box below. Milanote is the perfect blend of Trello and Pinterest, but specifically for planning out photo shoots. Don't miss out on this game-changing software. Grab it for free below.
I make free photography tutorials for your business every single week here on YouTube, so be sure to hit subscribe so you're notified whenever a new tutorial for your business comes out. And if you can't get enough here on YouTube, I also have my Instagram where I share daily tips, tools, and resources for your photography business, as well as I'm able to do live Q&As where I can answer your specific questions about your specific photography business. The Build and Bloom free Facebook group will be linked down below. Photographers, this is an incredible free tool. And if you love all of my freebies that I have to offer and you want to take it one step further with your business, I also have my online photography workshop, The Business Behind Photography, how to market and manage your ideal clients in your own backyard. So many photographers have found success in this workshop, and their reviews honestly speak for themselves. If you want to stop treating your photography business like a hobby, check out my online photography workshop, linked down in the description box below. I love you, I believe in you and your business. That's why I'm here on YouTube every single week for you, and that's why I created a workshop where you can dive deep into growing your business wherever in the world you're at. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.